Hi guys, this is pencil calligraphy, but I am doing it with the sketch pens so that you all can see it clearly on the camera. The effect will not come that good with pencil. That's why I am doing it with the pen. This is thin, a curve, and again a thin line. Then again it is a thin curve and again thin. Then this is thin line, standing line, and thin line. So once more with I, thin line, standing line, and thin line, and then up you are supposed to do like this, thin and this. This completes the I. This is the breakup, so you are going to do something like this. Then we move on to the next letter, which is, now this is letter J. That is going to be a thin line, a thick line, a sleeping line, then again a thin line, a standing line, and a curve. Curve is going to be from left to right. Then seal the edges. So the breakup is a thin line, standing line, a sleeping line. This is I am showing you in breakup. Then again a thin line, standing line, and a curve. So see, this is thin line, again thick line, sleeping line, thin, standing. This is the way, and seal the edges. This is J. Now we move to the next letter K. K is thin line, thick line, sleeping line, again thin line, standing line, and thin line. Now this is the curve. Here it is a thin line, and then a standing line, and this is a thick line. You can say this is a curve also, and then seal the edges. So you all got it. I will do it in breakup so that you all can practice that way also. This is a thick line, sleeping line, thin, standing, and a curve. I am doing this in parts. Then this is a thin line and a standing line. Then a curve. Seal the edges. When you join this two, it will become K. I have shown you the parts so that you all can practice it differently.
So guys, that's it for today. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and click the bell icon to get notifications on every new video we make.
Thanks for watching.